Across Japan's misty forests and modern greenhouses, one mushroom stands above the rest, the shiitake. Prized for its deep umami flavor and long history in cuisine and traditional medicine. For generations, Japanese farmers have grown shiitake on hardwood logs deep in the forest, while newer greenhouse systems now offer controlled environments and year-round harvests. In this journey, we'll explore how both methods work, from preparing the logs and nurturing the mycelium to harvesting and processing these flavorful mushrooms. Let's uncover how Japan produces millions of shiitake each year through a blend of tradition and innovation. In Japan's mountain forests, shiitake cultivation begins with hardwood logs, usually oak or chestnut, cut to uniform lengths and rested for several weeks to stabilize moisture. Once ready, workers drill neat rows of holes along each log and insert compact blocks of shiitake spawn, sealing them with wax to protect against insects and dehydration. The inoculated logs are then carried deep into shaded forest groves where cool air, natural humidity, and gentle breezes create the perfect environment for mycelium to spread. Over several months, the fungus slowly colonizes the wood, drawing nutrients directly from the dense hardwood fibers. This long, patient incubation is what gives forest-grown shiitake their signature aroma and firm premium texture. To initiate fruiting, growers submerge the logs in cold water, a natural shock that awakens the dormant mycelium. Within days, the first mushroom buds emerge, gradually expanding into thick, beautifully patterned caps. Harvesting is done entirely by hand to protect both the mushrooms and the logs, which can continue producing for several years. Though yields are limited, the forest method remains the gold standard for quality-producing shiitake, prized for their deep umami and exceptional fragrance. Across Japan, modern shiitake farms use climate-controlled greenhouses to achieve stable year-round production. Instead of relying on natural logs, growers prepare nutrient-rich substrate blocks made from hardwood sawdust blended with rice bran and trace minerals. Once mixed, the substrate is packed into heat-resistant bags or bottles and sterilized at high temperature to eliminate competing fungi and bacteria. After cooling, each block is inoculated with purified shiitake spawn. They are then arranged in dark incubation rooms where temperature and humidity are tightly regulated. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, the mycelium spreads through the entire substrate, forming a dense white network ready to produce fruiting bodies. When conditions are adjusted, lower light, increased airflow, and a sharp change in moisture, the blocks begin to form mushroom pins. Within just a few days, clusters of shiitake develop simultaneously across thousands of blocks. Workers carefully twist each cap by hand to avoid damaging the substrate, ensuring that each block can continue producing multiple flushes throughout the season. As the caps reach their ideal size, firm texture, rich brown color, and slightly curled edges, workers begin harvesting. Each mushroom is twisted off by hand to protect the delicate substrate or forest logs beneath. Harvest windows are short, often just 2 to 4 days, and timing is critical. Picking too early reduces flavor, while picking too late softens the cap and lowers grade. Fresh shiitake are collected into shallow trays to prevent bruising, then moved quickly to cooling rooms to maintain moisture and preserve aroma. Once transported to the facility, mushrooms are placed on conveyors for cleaning and sorting. Damaged or misshapen caps are removed while premium mushrooms move on to dehydration. Hot air dryers or freeze-drying chambers gently remove moisture, concentrating natural umami and sweetness. After drying, workers hand-grade each mushroom by size, shape, color, and the distinctive cracking patterns on the cap. Only the most flawless become export-grade dried shiitake. The rest are processed into flakes or powder. Shiitake mushrooms are rich in fiber B vitamins and natural antioxidants such as lentinan, known for its immune-supporting properties. Whether fresh or dried shiitake delivers a deep umami profile, prized in Japanese cooking, from broths and stews to stir-fries, ramen, and premium dashi. The drying process intensifies aroma-making dried shiitake, one of the most valuable ingredients in Asian cuisine. From shaded mountain forests to precisely managed greenhouses, Japan's shiitake industry represents a rare harmony between tradition and technology. Each mushroom carries the work of months' careful inoculation, patient incubation, and skillful harvesting. Today, shiitake remains not only a culinary treasure, but also a symbol of craftsmanship, resilience, and the enduring respect for nature that defines Japanese agriculture.